Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I will show you how to remove audio from a video using VLC Media Player in any computer. So without further more delay, let's begin. So if you have not downloaded and installed a VLC Media Player, then what you need to do is just open a new web browser and just search VLC in the Google search and you will be shown its official website. Just click on it to visit its official website. Now you can see here download VLC. So if you're using a Windows, then you can download the Windows version. If you're using a Mac computer, then you can download a Mac version, and if you're using a Linux computer, then you can download a Linux version. So you firstly download and install it if you've not downloaded and installed VLC Media Player. So after that, what you need to do is just open or launch the VLC Media Player. As you can see, the VLC Media Player user interface. Now on the left side, you can see on my desktop home screen I have one video, right? So just let me play it to show it as audio or not. Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I will show you how to change. So finally you can see it has audio in this video. So how we can remove the audio from this video using the VLC Media Player. So for this, you can see here media, just click on it, and now you can see our options here, convert and save. Just click on it. Now just drag and drop the video file here, and now you can see below convert and save. Just click on it. Now under these options and under the convert options, you can see you can select a profile depending upon which you want. So I'll be just selecting this H264, so that is the MP4. And after selecting this, what you need to do, you can see here a settings like icon. Just click on it. Now under this, you can see audio codecs. Just click on it, and if it is turned on, just like this, just turn it off and click on save. And now you can see here a destination file where you want to save the converted video or the edited video. So just click on browse. Say I will give a name as edited video. So I'll just give a name edited video. I'll just save it in the desktop. You can save it anywhere depending upon where you want to save. After that, click on save. Now you can see a start. Just click on start. Wait for a few seconds until the final conversion gets complete. So finally you can see it's been completed, and you can see a edited video here. So let us try to play this edited video and to check out whether it has a audio in it or not. So finally you can see it does not have audio. That is, we have removed audio from the video using a VLC Media Player. So let us check the original video again. Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I will show you. So finally you can see the original video has audio in it. So in this way you can easily remove audio from a video using VLC Media Player in any computer very easily. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then definitely you should try it out. And if you find this video tutorial useful, click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button. And lastly, thanks for watching.